Hi everyone, today we will crochet a great loop and I'm using here the very soft Rosy Green Wool Big Merino hook. This is color blue, as you can see of course, and I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook by Clover, and we need also a tapestry needle for sewing later. So first you have to do a ball using, for example, a wool winder or your hands, and then we can start crocheting. We start with a simple slip knot, and then you just chain stitches. Make sure they are really loose, otherwise you will get such a banana look. And please don't ask me how many chains I have, because it doesn't matter. I don't count my chains. You just have to measure your chain. So if your chain is long enough, then you just measure this length, and it should be somewhere between 120 and 150 centimeters. If it's 120, it will be quite tight, and if you have 150 centimeters, it will be more loose. So it depends which you or what you like more. So just continue chaining until you have your desired length. If you have reached your desired length, we will crochet the first row only with half double crochets. After your basic row, we'll start with the pattern, and for this chain 2, and then turn your work and crochet through the second stitch a half double crochet, then chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 half double crochet through the second, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, a half double crochet through the second, and you continue this way until the end of your row. So this is my second row, and I ended up with a chain 1 and a half double crochet through the last stitch. Maybe you have a different number of stitches and you can't close this way, you can't finish the row this way, then you should finish with 2 half double crochets. So if this would be your last stitch, then just crochet 1 more half double crochet. Okay, the next row we start with 2 chain stitches and then turn your work, and we crochet a half double crochet through this space here. If you would end up with 2 half double crochets here, you would now chain 1 and then skip the stitch and continue crocheting a half double crochet. But we don't have this. That's why we have now here 2 half double crochets and chain 1 now, and then skip this half double crochet and crochet 1 half double crochet through the next space. Okay, so we're just doing the opposite of the row before. So we chain here again and skip this half double crochet and crochet a half double crochet into the next space, so that you get this pattern. And you will end this row also with a half double crochet, chain 1 half double crochet, or you end up with 2 half double crochets. It depends which number of stitches you have, but it doesn't matter. So you should just have this look. So as you can see, I ended up this row with 2 half double crochets, and now I will show you how to continue from now on, that you're sure you're doing right. So you start again with your 2 chain stitches, and the next stitch here is a half double crochet. So I chain 1 again, then I skip this half double crochet and crochet a half double crochet through the next space. you chain one again, you skip this half double crochet and you crochet a half double crochet here, and then you continue as usual. So these are the two ways how to finish your row and how to start the next one concerning the row before. So these are the two alternatives, and you continue crocheting in rows until your loop is big enough, so you will have the height or the width of your loop, and we will finish by crocheting a row only with half double crochets, and then we'll join the loop and I will show you if your loop is big enough. So that's the width of my scarf, and I have here 18 rows and 19 with the first one. So the last row will be also only half double crochets for this chain 2, and turn your work and then continue crocheting half double crochets for the whole row. So you crochet half double crochets across the row until the end. And if you have here the chain space, just go through the chain space and the others through the stitch. After your last row, we will join this loop with slip stitches. So we'll join these two ends together by slip stitching. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Watch also other videos and don't forget to subscribe to be notified about new tutorials. And until next time, bye bye.